everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am coming at you with a sort of a bag unboxing or a bag reveal. I was looking for a purse for the fall to go into fall with. I'm not a huge spender on purses. I do like to look at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. They get discounted prices on my handbags. You know, I'm a mom on a budget, so wherever I can budget, I really try to, and really you can find some adorable, really nice, sophisticated bags, fun bags, anything you want at discounted prices. And I don't often splurge and get myself something nice. 4 years ago I bought a reversible tote from Coach, and I think I spent roughly $349 on it, if I can remember. It was just those reversible totes that everyone had at the time. And I also got myself a Michael Kors bag from one of the outlets, and I think I paid for that like $190. I had gone over to the Delaware outlets and I was able to stop at one of the Michael Kors outlets. I did pay retail for the Coach bag from Macy's, but that was okay. But I did get a discount on the Michael Kors bag. Can you sit down? Thank you. Sit down. So I was browsing online because I was looking for like a saddle bag, like a real southwestern style bag that was like a brown colored leather, whether it was like cognac or dark brown or light brown, but I really loved the light brown. But I was willing to take anything at this point because it was something I've been really searching for. I've looked everywhere, but even at TJ Maxx right now, they're selling like that brand Fossil. Even they're very expensive, like $179 even at TJ Maxx. So I came across this, and the website I found it on was called Urban Expressions. They had such cute stuff too. You have to check out the website. It was pretty reasonable priced, and I think you got maybe 20% off your first order. I'll have to double check, but this is what I found, and it is a saddle bag is the type of bag it is. It is a vegan leather, which really made me happy, but I couldn't even tell it wasn't real leather. It's just so gorgeous. And it has the strap for your arm or the strap for your shoulder. And it is adjustable, so you could wear this as a crossbody if you really wanted to. This one was called the Chloe bag, and they had a mini Chloe that looked exactly like this one, only I would assume it was a little bit smaller. But this is a decent sized bag for me, especially for the fall. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I wrote a few things down so I didn't forget. It came in antique pink, black, charcoal, natural, and tan. I got the tan, and I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. Like I was saying, it is vegan leather, which I really appreciate, and I appreciate that you can't even tell that it's vegan leather. And like I said, it's called the Chloe bag, and I really love it, and I spent only $100 on this. I know it sounds like a lot, but it was an investment for me, and I'll get a couple, hopefully I'll get a couple years out of it, and I really love it. When you open it up, the inside, I love this this was my favorite part. This is sort of what sold me on it. And then right here, you can see, you can stick your cell phone in here if you needed to. It does go straight through. It's not huge right here, but it's enough that you could set your cell phone in, a pack of gum, anything you needed. Even if you had a little wallet or your ID, you could stick it right in there. And in the interior is like a denim. I don't know if you can see that, but the interior is sort of denim. And I thought that was really cute. It's not huge. It's a decent size. You definitely can fit your wallet and whatever you need. It does have the extra zipper right here, and then 2 pockets right here. But I like, here, maybe I can pull it out. It's like a denim, the interior, and I thought that was really nice too. And then right here on the back is another little small compartment that you could shove anything you needed in here. Like I said, I was looking for something for fall, and I really feel like this will be something that I can use year after year. It's very classy and universal. It will go with any outfit. I also love like browns and blacks together. I really love this like southwestern style bag. These, you know, the ones with have the tassels. I love all that. And I was really looking for an investment piece. I know $100 to some people is absolutely nothing. They could spend that and not think twice. And Of course, my dream would one day to be have a Louis Vuitton. And for now, this is something that I really enjoy and I love, and I think it's a great bag. It's heavy, it's nice, and you would never know it wasn't real leather, and I love the fact that it's not real leather, that it's vegan. And like I said, it was $100. I really love this, and I thought I would share it with you. I was really excited to get this, so I want to show you one other thing that I got. I wanted to show you one other thing. I was on the hunt for, my sister actually bought this for me. She surprised me and brought this home. I've been on the hunt for like that witchy cowboy hat style, and I thought, how gorgeous. This was so inexpensive. This was only $16.99 at TJ Maxx, and I thought, how adorable would this be for fall? I'm going on vacation, so we're going to be taking some nice pictures on the beach, and I thought, here, let me put it on for you. Like, how cute is this? For $16.99, you have this with, you know, your hair curly, and you can take some cute pictures, and then this gorgeous, see how it goes together for the fall? I just thought it was so gorgeous, and I just wanted to share. I know $100 is expensive for, let me take that off. I know $100 is expensive for some moms on a budget, but sometimes if you get like one good purse, it will last you for a couple years. I've used bags. I still have my Coach bag, and it's been 4 years. As long as you take care of it. Like I said, I don't have a lot of expensive bags. Most bags I get from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I try to always stay in that like $24 to $40 range, which I feel is reasonable for a discounted bag. But yeah, I really love this bag, and I was so excited to find it. And like I said, you can wear it crossbody, and it's a little bulky for crossbody, but I still think it looks kind of cute. And again, you could just pop it right there on your arm, and you're good to go. And I really thought you would enjoy seeing this too. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you take a second to subscribe. If you have any questions about this bag, if I can figure out how to link the website down below, I will. Otherwise, I will put all information down below for it. As far as this hat, the actual brand is Exclusives. I don't know if that could help anybody, but these are all over the place right now. You can find these everywhere. They are so trendy right now, and I think they're so cute on all, you know, anybody, especially women with short curly hair, long curly hair. I just think they are, or even straight hair, anything. I just think they are the cutest things. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I was so excited to show everybody my new bag. And again, I'll give you one more look on it. It's just so nice, and I think these are just so timeless, and I never feel like this type of style goes, it just never leaves. I feel like this type of bag never goes out of style. So I was really excited to get it and show you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.